What's up, YouTube? It's Majay with the Car Boys back here with another video. Today I'm bringing y'all another video because I have picked up another car. Of course, you guys know that if I'm bringing you another video, you guys know I picked up another car. So I'm gonna flip the camera around, show you guys what I picked up today. This one is a vehicle that I'm gonna be keeping for myself. I'm gonna need the tow cars back from Copart, so I'm keeping it myself to tow these cars back, keep getting these cars, and just keep towing them back with this. So enough of me talking, let me go ahead and flip this camera around and show you guys what I got. But before we get into that, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications to be notified every time I upload a new video. And yeah, let's flip this around and show you guys what I picked up today. I picked up a 2003 Jeep Liberty Grand Cherokee Limited. It is the V8, the 4.7. I had to go get the 4.7. I had the 4.0. But it was just not enough power for what I needed. So I went and picked up a 4.7. I got this from Copart. I won it on Thursday in Macon, Georgia, which is a 3-hour drive from here, from Greenville, South Carolina to Macon, Georgia. So I picked it up. I won it on Thursday. The win bid was $800, and I ended up paying $1,200 and something out the door. And then the next day on Friday, I went down to Macon, Georgia, drove all the way down there 3 hours to go pick this bad boy up, and I drove it all the way home. There's the front. These headlights that's on it already. I was gonna buy these for the V6 because I seen them online, but this one already came with them on there. So that's the one reason I really wanted the Jeep right there, just because of the headlights. Those headlights are $300 by themselves. So I'm glad I picked up this. I mean, I'm glad I won this because I wanted these headlights so bad for my other one, but got them on this one. Okay, let's keep walking. As you guys can see, you're starting to see the little bit of damage right here. This damage is this is the primary damage of the vehicle right here. I guess something maybe well, I'm knowing something hit it right here. Something hit it right here and made all this push in right here. This was already pushed in too. I beat it back so I could put the tail light back right here so I could drive it back. But this was pushed in as well as too. So I'm pretty sure something hit right here, pushed it in, made this bumper squish in and pop the headlight out and being that in the trunk right here. But easy fix, like just beat that back out and replace the trunk, replace the bumper, and you're good. I got my hitch on there ready to tow some cars already. But yeah, here's the other side. Good tints on it. Can't show you guys too much of the interior because it's kind of dirty right now, but there's the interior. As you can see, I got my screen up there. I installed that screen myself. It's a 10-inch screen. I gotta put it up there. But the plates I have to hold it on the sides are too big, so I'm not even gonna discuss it right now. But yeah, this is the Jeep. She's sitting here running right now. You guys can hear her. Let me go ahead and see if you can do the exhaust pipe. I was thinking if you guys can see that smoke, I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, but it has some smoke coming out. But I was thinking this car maybe had a blown head gasket, but I'm not too sure. I don't think so because the coolant level is not changing. So I don't think it has a blown head gasket. So I'm gonna just take that one out of the picture. But yeah, man, here she is. A $800 win from Copart. $1,200 out the door. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I will start back doing Copart walkarounds again here shortly, so bear with me. If you guys want to see the Copart walkarounds, I will have them up and running again. If you guys enjoyed this video, just give it a big like, thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and share this video. Make people get known, make people know about Copart, because Copart is a way to get a car for half off. I've always said it. I always keep saying it. Copart is the way to get stuff half off. Literally, if you want a car that costs $2,000, go to Copart and you'll get it for $1,000 or lower. I'm telling you right now, it's the truth. But other than that, man, thank you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Show your boy some love. Come back to the channel every time I upload, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Majay out. Peace.